Hello everyone. Today we're diving into an exciting and innovative topic, lab-grown meat, also known as cultured or cultivated meat. This groundbreaking technology is rapidly gaining attention as a potential solution to some of the biggest challenges facing our food system today, such as environmental sustainability, animal welfare, and food security. But what exactly is lab-grown meat, and where does this technology stand today? What is lab-grown meat? Lab-grown meat is produced by cultivating animal cells in a controlled laboratory environment, rather than raising and slaughtering animals. The process begins with a small sample of cells, usually taken from a living animal through a painless biopsy. These cells are placed in a nutrient-rich medium that mimics the conditions inside an animal's body, allowing them to multiply and form muscle tissue. Over time, this tissue develops into the meat that we can cook and eat. The science behind it. The production of lab-grown meat relies on advanced techniques in cell biology, tissue engineering, and biotechnology. One of the key components is the bioreactor, a device that provides the optimal conditions for cells to grow, including the right temperature, oxygen levels, and nutrients. Scientists also use growth factors, which are proteins that signal the cells to divide and develop into muscle, fat, and connective tissue, just like in a real animal. Current progress and developments. As of today, lab-grown meat is still in the research and development phase, but it has made significant strides. The first lab-grown burger was created in 2013, and since then, the technology has advanced rapidly. Several companies around the world are now working on bringing lab-grown meat to market. Some of these companies have even received regulatory approval to sell their products in select locations. For example, in 2020, Singapore became the first country to approve the sale of lab-grown chicken, marking a historic milestone in the industry. Since then, other countries and companies have been racing to develop and commercialize various types of lab-grown meat, including beef, pork, and seafood. Challenges and potential. Despite the exciting progress, there are still several challenges to overcome before lab-grown meat becomes a mainstream food option. One of the biggest hurdles is scaling up production to meet global demand. Currently, producing lab-grown meat is expensive and energy-intensive, but researchers are working on ways to reduce costs and improve efficiency. Another challenge is consumer acceptance. While many people are intrigued by the idea of lab-grown meat, others are hesitant due to concerns about taste, texture, and the overall concept of eating something that was grown in a lab. However, as the technology improves and more people become familiar with the benefits, such as reduced environmental impact and improved animal welfare, it's likely that consumer attitudes will shift. The future of lab-grown meat. Looking ahead, the future of lab-grown meat appears promising. With continued advancements in technology and increasing interest from investors, governments, and consumers, lab-grown meat could play a key role in transforming our food system. It has the potential to provide a sustainable, ethical, and scalable source of protein for a growing global population. In the coming years, we may see lab-grown meat become a common sight in grocery stores and restaurants, offering an alternative to traditional meat that doesn't compromise on taste or quality. As we move forward, it will be fascinating to see how this technology evolves and what impact it will have on our world. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on the latest innovations in food and technology.